Right, that's me refreshed. Victory and a KTM have shown up since me. And it's busy, busy. I don't think I'm too annoying, noise-wise. I'm probably very annoying. We're like, what, 6 weeks from Christmas now, so there's loads of Christmas shoplifters, shoppers. There probably are loads of Christmas shoplifters. That silly sod there reading his paper. Mind you, he's not actually driving. That's the River Severn. Which I think is the longest river in the UK. And it curls around the town. Now I'm going back through the middle of town, which is going to be busy. But it's only a little town, so I shouldn't be stuck for too long, and I think I might go back the country roads way. This is kind of, in this situation, this is where I almost, not that I want to own one, but this is where I get electric battery vehicles. No pollution, no noise. But I don't want one. Yeah, that pops a bit. Still not too annoying in the middle of town. Right, this is the bridge I came in over. So very shortly I will be out of the middle of town, like now. So we'll take the path of least resistance out of town. There's the Abbey. Okay, I'm going to call success on that one. Not too noisy, not too annoying. And I am wearing leather trousers, but my leg's not getting too hot on that exhaust either. It's a little bit warm, but it's not burning me or anything. I still want to rethink that heat shield though. Right, when I get out of town I've got to do a little bit of bypass to get onto the back roads. And if you do a lot of work on motorway, dual carriageways, big wide open A roads where you can wind your bike open, then a scrambler probably isn't for you. They're not the most comfortable. So I do tend to pick the twisties if I possibly can. Which is exactly what I'm doing today. But I've got a few miles before I get to them.